You know what time it is. It's bow making time with Lori. This is my favorite time. I love editing these videos. They're so much fun. So Lori grabbed a 4-inch ribbon. By the way, she is doing this on our new boxwoods, but she grabbed this 4-inch burlap ribbon, which I didn't even know we had. I'm loving it. And then she goes ahead and pops on top a 2.5-inch cow print ribbon. And if you watch Lori's bow tutorials, her loop bow tutorials to be exact, you kind of know that she alternates this pattern. They're not always the same, and bows aren't always the same, and they don't have to be, but she kind of alternates here. So the first one, the 4-inch one, she did a loop with 2 tails. The second one, 2 loops, 2 tails, one at the top, one at the bottom, and alternating that. And let me tell you, this smoke blue ribbon is the ribbon this season. Everybody wants it, and I want it for my tree, and I'm terrified I'm not gonna be able to get it. But anyways, this bow is so cute. So this is a custom bow. If you don't know, we have a showroom in Golden, Mississippi, and Lori likes to do custom bows and custom pieces for people. So this is a custom piece for someone, and she just goes ahead and pops a zip tie on there and slips another zip tie in behind it so that she can secure it. We love zip ties around here. And then you have a really pretty bow. This bow really is so simple that anyone can do it. Go ahead and cut your dovetails, and then you have the prettiest bow for whatever you want it for. I love to make these bows for fall, for Christmas. These are a staple in my house ever since I learned how to make them. Lori is so talented and so good at making her bows, and I learn from her seriously every single video that I edit. I'm like, this girl, she knows what she is doing. So now that you have your bow, all you do is zip tie onto your boxwood, and you're good to go. Hope you like this tutorial.